Welcome back to the house channel. It is challenger Brent Bowers versus myself at the Kingpin Club by Brunswick here at the National Bowling Stadium on the ground floor. And today we are bowling with the lights off. This is how we're settling who goes first in a friendly arm wrestle. I guess that means you go first. One. I'm so weak.
Since I was the winner and I was stronger than Pack and I wrestled him down to the ground, I'm gonna let him go first because if he's in a pressure pack situation, I don't want to have to bowl against him. It's not where you should be standing.
I don't know where I should be standing. That's definitely not it.
Is it best ball? Spares matter?
Are we counting spares?
You should. We both went to Wichita State where spares used to matter. Just kidding. Spares don't matter to anybody these days. And you're about to prove it. Bing bong.
It's hard to prove that spares don't matter when you make all of them.
Oh, Parker is your favorite guy. You know, Parker did this to me when I was like 12 years old.
Did he?
Yeah.
How'd you bowl when he did it?
It was good. It was a riot zone, and I was as cocky as I'd ever been. And I dead flush 3 in a row in the 10th for the campers to beat the pro staff, to beat the camp staff. Ah, spares don't matter. Oh. Ta. Yeah. Funny how the lefties don't take very long to line up.
I think it's just because we're smarter and better. I think that must be it.
All right, mild adjustment. Oh boy. So I won the first round. You clearly won this round.
Oh no, this is a full game.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Sure.
You got to shoot the 210 around and wrap it here. The GSXs, you know. All right, a little backup maybe.
So much hook.
Ooh. I liked it.
My back's been a little sore lately, so it's pretty nice that I'm gonna probably throw the next 11 strikes just to beat him. I'm not sure what he's doing, but I'm definitely just gonna go and throw my shot.
Just trying to get a read.
Did that split?
You missed one. It's a left side spare. You'll want to use your plastic ball in this one.
I'm just gonna prove a point to you that it doesn't matter if I have a plastic ball or not.
Good.
I can still
yeah, let your ego flare. Let's go.
It's already flared. It's all the way up.
Tickle. Wow. Mental fortitude.
Steel trap.
Strong today.
Steel trap.
Was it that croissant you had this morning?
It was actually the blueberry muffin from the cafe at the Silver Legacy.
This one's for my boy Lloyd behind the camera, making it all happen. Hey, wait, I gotta remember where I was there. Okay, so you're saying there's a chance.
Only down 15. Technically 5 if you strike out. Turning the lights back on, we got the Kingpin poster right behind us. Obviously, we're in the Kingpin Club in the first floor of the Reno National Bowling Stadium. You can actually book like corporate events and parties down here in the Kingpin Club. And all you gotta do is contact Reno Tahoe at the Kingpin Club, and you can give them a call, send them an email. Down below, I'll put the link for you guys if you wanna book parties, events, anything like that for your corporate or just for yourself. You want to throw a little birthday party down here. They're accepting to all events, so you could possibly have your party down here with the lights off just like we did.
That's where Parker put it. Well, that's where he sat, and then after I popped off and tried to show him how it's done, he made it very clear that he was much better than me. Oh, a little slippery.
Yeah, I wonder why they're slippery. It's like you put powder up there.
What did you do? It's just a dusty
space. I think you
space.
threw your rosin bag up there,
It's just
maybe?
a whole game. This is going to be a long one, Pack. All right, 3 2-pins for me. You think I should make a move?
The amateur way of playing the lanes is not hooking at a 3-pin. You can only gain more information by hooking at that pin. You might miss it, but you can only gain more information.
Yeah, we're going to have Ginger get the foul lights on for us.
See, you
break it off. That was a Greek church in the making.
It's just good ball motion. Good ball motion never splits.
3 pins out there.
2 of them down.
Did you grow up in cosmic bowling? Chance. Oh, God.
You just can't get that thing to go high enough.
This is a spray bottle pattern?
Before we set up, I put a little extra juice down there on the right side for you.
Yeah, that sounds like a pack move.
I'm gonna move for the first time in my life right now. It's a career first,
Boy.
2-1.
Really reaching out of your comfort zone here. I'm in trouble. It's clear Pack's been practicing and I've been unemployed for a little while.
Or you've been employed, so you can't practice as much.
Yeah,
Learn
I was
how to
debating. I was
slow
like, if I don't find a job, maybe I go try the tour. All right, maybe a little slower. What do you say? That's always a good answer for me. Come around. Okay. All right. I'm
You're
not
down.
good.
You're in it. You're down a hit. An open frame by me is huge for you. And if you stand there, I might kick you in the crotch.
Okay, I'll stand right here.
I'm not confident at all when you're standing there.
Oh my God.
You're the luckiest man alive.
How many push-ups was this for?
I believe it was 1 push-up per pin difference. That was the bet. And when we're at the PBR professional bull riding tonight, and you're talking with all of your bosses and the people on the board, you'll be like, hey Brent, you owe me 20.
Bing bong. Oh, that's got
that's early hook.
That's got. Oh! Brunswick Max pin.
I got 250 off the sheet. What do you got? 233?
I'm alive.
Yeah, so 1 hit changes the game.
Oh, come on. It wasn't even in your way. That was an act of God.
I learned from yesterday that does not go well for me. It was an act of God. It actually just, oh my God. Good thing I'm gonna slide. Good thing I'm not gonna slide near
our boy Biondo. If you fall and
it is what it
powder
is.
stays where it stays there.
And those are some slick approaches.
You are the luckiest man alive. What's the worst part of your life? You've got a gorgeous girlfriend that's a better bowler than you. You've got loving parents and a beautiful sister, and I mean, you look like you're in decent health.
You know what the worst part of my life is?
You don't
45% of these viewers aren't subscribed to my channel.
Wait until I start my channel. Subscribe there.
That would be a fun one.
Slow. Oh!
I'm nervous.
I think this is my spot. I'm no good upstairs, but if I'm in a pot bowl, this is the place to do it. Friday night action at the Kingpin Club. Watch out for the powder. No! Is that ball legal?
You need this strike.
I don't need anything. I need the love of my family. That's what I need.
And
I think I've got it.
And you have it.
Watch
and that's
this.
a strike.
Oh my gosh, that's a nail in a coffin is what it is. No, this is no easy task here. Come around. Wow. Wow.
Made the same pin twice.
Wow. Jiminy Christmas, man.
I'll keep the pressure on you.
I don't know what happened. What was that? It's dark in here. Was that a run by fruiting?
I believe it was my turn and the ball went in the gut.
You're at 190. 9 is 18, so you need 4 or less. Yeah, it's that you got 5, 7.
I was trying to get 3 there. Hey, you it was fun coming to Reno, your new job, and just dominating the challenges.
Who'd have thought?
But what do you guys think the top 3 bowling centers that you've ever been to? Whether it's, for me, North Rock is number 1 just because it's home. Probably Nutmeg Bowl in Fairfield because it's where I grew up, and
everyone's gonna have their favorites, so we're talking history, my man.
Well, history.
Historic.
What, Woodland Bowl here?
Woodland Bowl is pretty high.
Here's pretty high too. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, click that subscribe button down below and check out the USBC Open Championships. There's still time to sign up if you haven't already. So go over there, sign up. I know it's one of the most fun tournaments that I bowl every year, and I hope all of you guys here also can get out and bowl that tournament this year, 2023. So thank you guys for watching, and until the next one, peace.
I am not a crook.